Hey math lovers, let's go over this problem here. Write the fraction represented by each letter. So we have a number line here, and we need to know which each of these letters is represented by a fraction. So I'm going to go ahead and go right here to 3 1/2. And an equivalent fraction is just doubling the numerator and denominator. So I would get 1 times 2 and 2 times 2. That would give me 2/4. And what I'm trying to figure out here is if I just count, 1, 2, 3. Oh, can't count from there. Try that again. 1, 2, 3, 4. So I want that to be a 4. So let's go ahead and multiply by 2 again. And let's see now. So that does make sense, because then I can do something that looks like this. 3 and 0/8. So I'm just counting there in the numerator. 3 and 1/8. 3 and 2/8. 3 and 3/8. And then 3 and 4/8. So you can see that I'm just counting here, right there. And let's just use this system all the way through. So all I've done is just found equivalent fractions. 5/8, 6/8. And of course you can reduce those. 3 and 7/8. And look at this. This one's a little bit weird, but it's 3/8 and 8, because 8 divided by 8 is just 1. 1 plus 3 is 4. So I'm going to just keep going here. And if you realize what they're doing here, all I'm doing here is just adding 1 to the numerator. So if I do that and I start over, I essentially have another way of thinking about that fraction. Change my color here. This is 4 and 0/8. So if I just add 1, this one will become 4 and 1/8. So let's just make that really clear here. My answer is going to be, I said purple, huh? P is going to be 3 and 2/8, which is really divided by 2, you get 3 and 1/8. I guess you can put that in the green. Do you see my same color all the way down? Sorry, 3 and 1/4. So P is 3 and 1/4 is my final answer. Q is going to be 3 and 5/8. And the letter R is going to be 4 and 1/8. Couple of tips. Find equivalent fractions, and if you didn't notice, I wrote my fractions more vertically rather than the slanted. Don't do that. Don't do that.